Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Some people will hate you not because you're right but because you're different. In Ukraine, if a marriage proposal is not accepted by the bride or her family, the would-be groom is given a pumpkin so he does not leave empty-handed. The medical definition for a fart is flatus expelled through anus. Liquid tungsten is so hot that if it came in contact with lava, the tungsten would freeze immediately. The name Muhammad and other variants is the most common male name in Egypt, Libya, Morocco, Bangladesh, India, Iran, Jordan, Kuwait, Malaysia, Pakistan, Saudi Arabia. MRI scans of babies in the womb. If you cook food in iron utensils, then it can fulfill the iron deficiency in your body and you can stay healthy. This was drawn with colored pencil. The snake with king in its name means it will kill and eat other snakes. If you cut out the brain of a tortoise, it can survive another 6 months. Birds do not urinate because they have no urethra. Girls have more taste buds than boys. Famous people signatures. You can't talk while inhaling through your nose. By the time a human reaches the age of 35, he or she will lose about 7,000 brain cells per day. These cells are never replaced. The first sport as we know it today was most likely wrestling, and it was originated in Greece in 776 BC. Green, yellow and red capsicums are not the same vegetables. Alabama husband saved wife's life by donating kidney after spending a year dieting and exercising to get his blood pressure low enough for surgery. 275 million new stars every day arise. Dolphins have also been observed to live together in large groups and hunt as well as play together. A giraffe and a human have the same number of bones in their necks. Australia exports sand to Saudi Arabia. More than 5 trillion pieces of plastic are already floating in our ocean. Many pregnant women in China avoid cold foods like ice cream and watermelon. They prefer hot drinks like tea and soup, believing that pregnancy is of a cold nature and that hot liquids help balance the yin and yang. A fifth grader accidentally created a new molecule in 2012. A jail for polar bears exists. The phrase hands down comes from horse racing. Humans develop fingertips from the time they were embryos, only 3 months after they were conceived. This means that just after the first trimester, the baby has fully developed fingertips. Cataplexy is a rare sleep disorder that causes sufferers to fall asleep whenever they laugh. Wristwatches were originally made for women. People who speak Chinese use both sides of the brain. English only uses the left side. You can't drink sea water, but you can drink sea ice. The Mexican axolotl, Ambystoma mexicanum, is an aquatic salamander that can regenerate multiple body parts, including its limbs and internal organs. In Sydney 2012, a record was made for the most people to balance books on their head. When given the choice between helping another rat in need or eating chocolate, a favorite trick, most rats will help their friends. Swiss designers are working on a milk carton that changes color as it contains near expiration. Some of the coolest innovations that you are not aware of. Three-sided flip phone, three interconnected screens in one phone work in various modes even if you use different apps. Port Solar Charger. Port is a compact portable battery that charges your phone using solar energy. Portable car. A compact portable car that is the size of a 13-inch laptop can go at a top speed of up to 16 km per hour. Universal wrapper. With a universal wrapper, you can pretty much wish anything to a person and it's pretty unique. Weight telling chopping board. Now you can make your favorite food by measuring exact units of ingredients with this unique chopping board that tells weight. Anti-tangle headphones. Tangled and mess headphones are annoying, but with these anti-tangle headphones it won't happen again. Hover drone. Hover drone can fly on their own, contains high quality camera and GPS navigation and avoid obstacles on their own. Smart bracelet. It displays everything your phone can do in projectile form, probably futuristic. Thanks for watching.